Tired of seeing that dreaded domain not verified error in Klaviyo? Learn the exact 15-step path to verify your sending domain in under 3 minutes. We'll walk through Klaviyo's settings, add your domain, pick GoDaddy, and hit verify so you can send reliably. Start by clicking on your profile in the lower left corner. Then go into Settings. From there, open up the Domains section. Click on Add Domain to begin. You'll need to select an email type. Go ahead and click Marketing to pick that one. Hit Next to continue. Now set your root domain. Then click Next again. Type in your sending domain. And then move forward with Next. Click on the drop-down menu. Choose GoDaddy from the list. Then click Next to proceed. Finally, click Verify to wrap it up, and you're all set. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.